subscribe my channel for JEE and NEET.
Hello guys, good morning all of you. Hope you good all at your homes. So today I want to explain a small trick in case of pulleys problems. The reference I got from the books, so that is sometimes we need not to worry about we need not search about the formulas, just we think logically, then we can get definitely the answer for any typical question. So that is the motto I have got. So that's why I need to share my views in this video. So before going to that, dear students, you give me a good support on behalf of my videos, so keep continue your watching for growing my channel. Thank you one and all. Here there was a question was asked in 2001 JEE mains. So that was a string of negligible mass going over a clamped pulley of mass small m is supports a block of mass capital M as shown in figure. The force on the pulley by the clamp is given by, so here the force acts on the by the pull clamp was in four options. So now we have to find the force acts given by the pulley. That was our requirement to find the answer. So here there was a thread having negligible mass, and here this is the pulley having the clamp. So this is the clamp, and this is the mass of the pulley, and this is the mass obtained by the thread, capital M. So here the mass of the thread is negligible. Now we need to find the which force was given by the pulley, which force was given by the clamp on the pulley. So that is our task to find the solution. So first we see the standard method how we can find the force on the pulley by the clamp. Force on the pulley by the clamp by the using of standard method. Then after we will discuss our simple trick. Before going to solve, I remember my quote. Once again, we don't search for formulas. We just think logically, then we can get answer for any typical question. So let us see. So here there is a massless string, and there is a mass of capital M, and here small m is the mass of the pulley. So just we can draw the FBD, free body diagram. So then this is the pulley, this is the clamp, and this is the thread which can having the mass of block capital M. So this is the block. So here there is a force acting by the clamp on the pulley, that is nothing but clamp force, that is C. Let it be C. So here there will be acting tension on the string, and here this is the mass of the pulley, and the weight should be acts in downward, that is W it is equal to mg, and here the tension T will be acts in this direction. So this is T. So this force is acting on the center point of the pulley, then it can be divided into two components, that is C cos theta, it is horizontally acts with an angle theta, and the vertically component here there is C sin theta, it will be acts vertically. So these are the forces acts on the pulley where it has a massless string and having the mass of block capital M in another end. So then we need to find here the horizontal forces which was acts is T, it is equal C cos theta. These are horizontal forces. And vertically acting forces, that is mg plus T. Mg plus small mg plus capital T, it is equal C sin theta. This is equation 2. Right? Now coming to the block of mass m, the weight should be acting in downwards. W it is equal to mg, and the tension should be acts in upwards. So here we can write that, whereas upward and downward the direction should be different, then we can write that is capital M small g minus T, it is equal to 0. So then we can simply write that capital M small g, it is equal to T. So this is equation 3. From equation 3, the equation 1 and 2 we can modify that capital Mg, it is equal C cos theta. This is equation 4. And small mg plus capital Mg, it is equal C sin theta. So this is equation 5. So from equation 5 and 6, sorry, 4 and 5, we can solve the value of C, which was acts by the clamp on the pulley. Here we can squaring and adding on both sides, then we can get C square value, where from 4 and 5 will be squaring on both sides and adding, so that is C square cos sin square theta plus C square cos square theta, it is equal mg whole square and plus small mg plus capital Mg whole square. And the C square will be common, and that is we can write it is sin square theta and plus cos square theta, it is equal mg whole square and plus g will be common, so g square will be common, it is small m plus capital M whole square. Right? Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equal to 1, then we can write, whereas C it is equal, whereas C square it is equal G square into, what is that? That is nothing but we can write, so that is mg square and plus small m plus capital M. So C it is nothing but under root of, the square will be cancelled out by the root, that is G into mg square and plus small m plus capital M whole square. So this is the force acting by the clamp on the pulley. Just we have to see our options. Here G into, whereas capital M square, G into capital M plus small m square plus capital M square. This is our answer which we have derived. Now students, coming to our trick. So here this is our free body diagram which was given. So here we need to think the mass of the block, there is no mass of the block. If capital M it is equal to 0, if there is no block, then so here this is the mg will be acting in downwards, and this is the force acting by the clamp on the pulley, that is C, where we can write that mg minus C it is equal to 0, whereas C is equal to mg. So this is the answer, C is equal to small mg. So just to check, we can substitute the value of capital M in all the options, and when we can get the C is equal to mg, then that is the our answer. Okay, now check it. If capital M is equal to 0, then C is equal to small mg. So here M is equal to 0, then total will be 0. This is not our answer. Here there is no capital M, so then it is also not our answer. So here 0 plus m square, it gives the g into under root of m square plus m square. It is 2m square. It is g into under root 2m square. It is root 2mg. So this is also not our answer. And coming to the last one, here capital M is equal to 0, then g into under root of m square plus capital M square. So then capital M is also 0, m square plus m square, the square and root will be cancelled, that is mg, whereas c is equal to mg, our answer will be option 4. So this is our small trick when we had guess the logically. Okay students, thank you one and all, keep watching and keep growing my channel. Thank you everybody.